Meaning of head up.
Head up.
Head up.
Head up.
Head up. The phrase head up is an idiomatic expression that means to be agitated, excited, or worked up about something. It can also refer to a situation that has become heated or intense. The term likely originates from the Old English word heatnen, which means to heat. The phrase can be used in various contexts, including describing emotional states, arguments, or even physical conditions like a fever. When someone is head up, they may be visibly tense or animated, and their behavior may be erratic or exaggerated. Overall, the term suggests a state of heightened arousal or intensity.